Hey everybody, welcome in. Today I wanted to go over the nuclear setup, hoping that it'll help some of you guys out. So let's go take a look. Okay, so here you can see it's going to take some water. So you can set up your water up here if you'd like to. And let's see, we're also going to need concrete, sulfur, and uranium. So in the first refiner, we will have the sulfur and the water going in to create sulfuric acid. And then next, we'll have a blender which will need uranium, concrete, and sulfuric acid. And this will create encased uranium cells and more sulfuric acid. So next I have two drones set up. The one on the left is bringing in encased industrial beams, and the one on the right is bringing in electromagnetic control rods. And then in the center, we have a manufacturer which will be using the uranium cells, beams, and rods, and this will produce uranium fuel rods. Okay, so next we have two nuclear power plants, and these use the rods and water, and these create nuclear waste. Okay, so from here I have the waste being split up. The waste on the right is going into a blender. So this blender takes the waste, silica, nitric acid, and sulfuric acid. And then this creates non-fissile uranium and water. I also have another drone on the right bringing in the silica. And then off to the left, I have another blender which takes nitrogen gas, water, and iron plates, which creates nitric acid. The drone behind it is bringing in the iron plates. I also have a train set up to deliver the nitrogen gas, and we're going to take a look way over here in the distance, and you can see the other train station that I have set up. That is where the nitrogen gas is being picked up from. Okay, next we have the particle accelerator, and this is bringing in the non-fissile uranium and the waste and creating plutonium pellets. Then behind that I have three assemblers, and these are taking the plutonium pellets and concrete to create the encased plutonium cells. Finally, we have another manufacturer which will take the plutonium cells, steel beams, rods, and heat sinks to create the plutonium fuel rods, which we can then sink. And once again, I have drones delivering the steel beams and rods. And then last but not least, I have the extra water being packaged so I can sink it. So to do this, I have another drone delivering the plastic. And there you go. Anyway, I hope this video helped some of you guys out, or at least gave you some ideas for your nuclear setup. And thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.